Hello everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst here at IronFX, bringing you the technical updates for the 19th of October. Today I would like to update the technical picture of Euro-Dollar, which slid after it hit resistance at 110.25. I would also like to talk about GBP USD, which traded higher following the UK CPI data for September. So let's start with the Euro-Dollar currency pair. Euro-Dollar traded lower on Tuesday after it hit resistance at the 110.25 level and the prior downside support line taken from back at the low of the 27th of September. The rate is back below the round number of 110 and is possible to aim for another test near the 109.60 support zone. In my view, the short-term outlook remains negative, and as a result I would expect a clear and decisive break below 109.60 to open the way for our next support barrier of 109. Taking a look at our short-term oscillators, I see that the RSI turned down after it hit resistance slightly below its 50 line, while the MACD, although negative, shows signs of topping and that it could fall below its trigger line in the near future. Zooming out to the daily chart, I see that the pair is still trading within the sideways range between 108 and 115. As a result, I keep my neutral stance with regards to the longer term outlook. Now let's continue with GBP USD. Cable traded higher on Tuesday after data showed that the UK CPI jumped to 1% in September from 0.6% in August. However, the rebound was stopped by 123.30, the upper bound of the sideways range that had been containing the price action since the 11th of October. Given that the rate oscillates between the aforementioned resistance and the support zone of 121, I will hold a neutral stance with regards to the short-term outlook. However, I see signs that the forthcoming wave may be negative from the upper bound of the range, perhaps towards the lower boundary. Something like that is also supported by our short-term oscillators. The RSI turned down and could fall back below 50 soon, while the MACD, although slightly above zero, shows signs of topping as well. As for the broader trend, the close below 128.50 on the 4th of October has signaled the downside exit of the sideways range the pair had been trading since the 24th of June. This turned the medium-term outlook back to the downside. As such, although the short-term picture appears flat for now, there is the likelihood for the rate to turn down again. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.